Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to effectively manage project permissions in Asana. Our first step is to open up your Asana and navigate to the project you want to manage permissions for. This is important because we want to ensure that we're managing the correct project. Now, once you're in the project, look for the Share button, located at the top right of your screen. This is where we get into the nuts and bolts of permission management. Once you've clicked Share, a dialog box will appear. This helps us because it is where we can see everyone who has access to the project and control their permissions. Next up, we're going to adjust individual permissions. You can do this by clicking on the person's name, and a drop-down menu will appear with three options. We have Can Edit, Can Comment, and Can View. The reason we do this is to control the level of access each team member has, allowing you to maintain the right balance of transparency and security. Now that we've done that, let me explain why this matters. The Can Edit option gives the person the ability to make changes to the project. Can Comment lets a person add their thoughts but not make any changes. Lastly, Can View only allows a person to see the project but not make any changes or comments. This ensures that everyone has the appropriate level of access they need to get their job done without stepping on anyone else's toes. Our final step is to invite new members to the project. You can do this by typing their email into the Add People box and selecting the appropriate permission level for them. This is crucial to bring new team members on board and get them up to speed as quickly as possible. And there you have it. That's how you manage project permissions in Asana. Remember, the key to a successful project is not just about getting the work done, but also about managing who gets to do what. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.